Welcome to our tutorial explaining how you can change the spreadsheet language and currency. I'm going to use as an example the business plan worksheet 5.0, and I'm going to show you another example with a 4.0 version using the marketing plan Excel template. So I'm going to start with the business plan because the 5.0 version is our newest one, and it's really easy to change the language and the currency here. As you're going to see, every tab of the spreadsheet is using the English language as default. And you're going to see as well that some of these tabs, they use the dollar currency. But maybe you bought the spreadsheet, but you want to use another language, you want to use another currency. If you want to change, you only need to go to the instructions tab here in settings, and you're going in this first button here, and you're going to choose the language that is going to be used and applied in all of the spreadsheet. So I'm going to use the French language. You're going to see that some words and terms are already translated, but some aren't. So if you want to correct that, you have to go to the T tab. It's down here on our menu here in the below area, and you're going to choose the T tab, and here you can use the translation option. How you're going to do that? You have to see the column that you want to use. In this case, I want to translate to French or Francais, and here I'm going to translate. I can do that cell by cell, or I can choose a lot of cells all at once. I can copy them using the Ctrl+C command, and I can go to the Google Translate options, as you can see here, and I'm going to paste it using the Ctrl+V, and now I have the translation made for me. Once I copy this, I can go back to my T tab here, and I'm going to select the first cell of the option, going to use the right button, and with that I'm going to paste, making some correspondences. And once I have done that, you're going to see that automatically the spreadsheet is going to have its translation made. So you have to do that if you want to change the language. It's very easy. It's a fast process, but for now I'm going to let it in English that it's all completed. And if I wanted to change, I don't know, for euro or pounds or maybe another currency, I could do that once I have done formatting completed. Okay, when I go to the tab that has, you see that the formatting it's already done. So it's really easy when you are using a 5.0 version, but we just have a few 5.0 versions ready. We're already updating all of our portfolio of spreadsheets, and if you use a 4.0 spreadsheet, you can do the same, but with a little bit of hard work. So let's go to understand what you have to do. So here I have types of medium. If you see, I have a word here. So if I want to change, I can translate directly in every tab of the spreadsheet. So in this case, types of medium, if I want to translate, I don't know, for Portuguese, I could say tipos de mídia, and I could do that for Spanish, French, or any language in the world. You can change for whatever suits you the best. And once you have done that, I'm gonna go back here. You have all of the spreadsheet with your language, but you have to go tab by tab, changing all of the words and phrases and cells so it matches the language that you want to use. But one other thing that is important is that maybe you have some sheets with currencies, and now we do not have a button to change that. In this case, you have to select all of the cells that have this formatting, and you're going to go to the initial page here, and you're going to change the currency in number formats. Here you have to choose currency, and you're going to choose the best one that suits you. Supposedly we want to use euro, so I could be here and select euro, okay, so it's already changed. So you have to do this process if you want to change the currency and the language in the 4.0. If you are using a 5.0 version of our spreadsheet, you just select the buttons here, and if needed, you go to the T tab to change the words and make your translation the best way possible for you.